back to the channel. Today I do have another install for the Bronco. That's the actual tow hitch. So with the hitch or whatever that I purchased, this is it here. And these are the plates. There's 2 plates to come with it, and then you got the nuts and bolts and all that stuff is right here. The one that I ordered, it actually has this is the bracket or whatever that actually goes for the harness. So the Bronco harness sits right in between here, so that way you can just go ahead and just plug it right in. But this is the kit here. It's about $120, you know what I'm saying, for the hitch set or whatever. And I think it's well worth it because, you know, what's the point of having a truck if you ain't got a hitch to it? You know, doesn't really make any sense, you know. But took me long enough to get it. I like to buy my stuff in parts, you know what I'm saying, piece by piece, because it makes it very interesting for the video. If I buy everything all at once, you know, I mean, videos gets boring after a while. So, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this bump off. You know what I'm saying? So we can go ahead and knock this out. So three bolts you wanna take out is right here. These 3 right here. Those 3 you want to take out. They ain't on that tight. So once you get it off a little bit, then you can hand unscrew them or whatever. Once you get those off, just make sure you unhook this right here. Just go ahead and be careful with this harness as well. And the last one is gonna be that bolt right there. Get your 15 mil. And just go ahead and click it off. Once it's off good enough, just go ahead and just do it by hand. Get this side over here done, then just repeat the same process. You got 3 bolts right on the back side over here, and then you got the one right there. So I already put this plate on there. So it got 2 bolts, whatever that goes right there on the side. So I got that on there. So I'm about to go ahead and mount it. Now with this, it got 4 bolts. You know what I'm saying? It got the ones that's right here. These 4 right here. So those are the ones you need to position this at. So it's bolted down. Now it's time to put this back on. Just do all the steps you did in reverse. You just 4 bolts on this side, 4 bolts on that side. So there it is, finishing product. It's just a hitch. You know what I'm saying? Nothing special about it. So if you guys have any questions or whatever, just hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.